Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's guy we are going to be doing unboxing with me. Okay, I'm going to show you what I got for my children for back to school, and also the one you can also wear out. If you want to go out to have fun, you can wear it. So this one is I go kiabi and OVS and the other store that they call Bata Bata. So I go there. So this one is for kiabi and it's for €6, I be €5 of that. So this one is really good, guy. They cool for hand, as if you touch am, the thing is so cool to the hand, to the elbow. So this one is for my daughter, and this one is for kiabi, and it's I think this one is €5. Yeah, this one is €5. As you can see, got this one for €5 for this one is for school. Yeah, we are in September and code already starts already. So I got two of this one, and they are this one is also €5. They are for €5. So this one now the trousers, okay, for the coat as well. So this one is size 4, as in 4 years old, but my daughter dey for almost 3 years. So I know they like to buy just their size, like their age, because their age cloth, they enter them, maybe they don't grow past, it go come tight. So I like to buy like 4 5 years, like 2 years ahead, so that the thing will really enter. Don't be saying they wear cloth, it come too tight for their body. I don't like it. So this one also is for my daughter, and it's for kiabi as well. So this one is €4, guys. This one is complete set. I will show you the top later. This one is €4. I also got the same for my son, and I got sockets as well. €7 for €6 for 7 pieces of sockets for her to wear to school, because this is their first year in school, so she need to look beautiful. Oh my god. So this is it. This is the sockets. So the next thing here is also sweater for my son. So this one is very big, guys. You can see it's black. I take size 8 because it's 5 years. Size 5 would be too small. Even size 6 would be too small for him. So I was looking for size 7, but I not see size 7. So I come and take size 8. On I decided it would be like there would be space. Don't be say if you wear clothes, you not fit breathe. So this one also is the top of that trouser that I show you guys earlier. So this one is also for €4 dance school. So it's so beautiful. I love the color. It's pink, as you can see. So it's so cool, so nice, so warm. If you wear it, so beautiful. I love it. And it's also €4 for kiabi. So if you stay in Italy, you want to buy cheap but also nice quality, you can visit them. They have many clothes for children to wear to school. So this one is for my son as well. This one is from kiabi. So for my son, and this one is €6. €6, yeah. So I love this cloth. That is where I always buy clothes for him, maybe for school. I always dey go there go buy clothes for am. If anytime I want to go back to school, because their clothes dey last for am to wear. Let's say the thing come big pass am, so come fit wear am again. As e dey so na so e go dey till the cloth come big pass am. E no dey fade, e no dey do anything. This one is also €5. I got size 8, so I was looking for size 7. Size 7 not there anywhere. E be like say dem don buy am finish before I reach there. So I come kukuma carry size 8. At least e go let am wear. This one na hair packer for me and for my daughter. Moto dey pack our hair. So guys, that one is for kiabi. We are done with kiabi unboxing. So now we are going to move to obvious. So I also buy pants for my daughter from kiabi. This one is 7 inch. I think it's 7 inside, and it's also €7. Yeah, £7 for €7. That is €1 for one. So now we are in obvious. So guys, this one is trouser. So as you can see, I love the finishing of the trouser. It's so thick, like if you touch it, it is so thick, and it's so beautiful, and it's also pink. I love pink. I don't know, I love colored, not just black, white. So this one is €9 85 95 cents. It's not on Squanto. They are not doing discount, so it's normal price. So this one also is like jeans, like stressy jeans, not that jeans. It's like the kind of jean wey dey stress. So this one is €12 95 cents. This one is not for school. This one is for outing, for outing, to go and shop, to go and eat food, or for church. Yeah, for church. So guys, I also got that for my daughter. So this one na my son na him pick am by himself, and it's two in one. So two in one like this. The normal price na €10 95 cents. They do 36% sconto, and I buy it for €7. So I bought the two for €7 for this one, because na oga pick am by himself. So let's move on. So this one also, this blue one, na him pick am by himself. Don't even wear am for there sef. I say, oga, be calming down. He say he wan wear am for there. So this one na blue. He love blue color. So he pick am by himself. He pick the two. This one is the shirt. The shirt is €2.08. Normal price is €6 95 cents. They did 70% sconto. So I go downstairs go collect pack. Oh my god. So they do 70% sconto. So normal price na €12 95 cents. And I got it for €3 88 cents for this one. So now my son still choose and say one wear am blue. Blue. So next one is also this one. They are both together. They come together, so them put them together. So this one is also blue. So the price is, normal price is €10 95 cents. They do 45% quota, so I buy am for €6 for the two. For the two like this. Two like this, €6, €3 for one. It's okay. So let's move forward. So this one also, let me choose this one. Let me choose this one for them. So this one na €14 before, €14 95 cents, but I pay €4 48 cents. And I like the material. It's so cool. It's so nice. I love the material. Be like cloth. It be like wrapper. Be like normal cloth. I suppose that not be cloth before. Oh my god, that tire. So now don't enter my daughter side. This one is my daughter own. So this one just the normal price, no discount, nothing. It's just €4 95 cents. No discount, nothing. So I get the bigger size because I like if they wear cloth. May not all dey show, as e may still get space, allowance to grow. So I got the bigger size. So this one also, and the other shirt for my daughter as well. This one now, what the shirt sef? This one na €5 95 cents. No sconto, no discount. Normal price. Na be this. So the other one is two like this. Two like this na €10 95 cents. No discount, no sconto. Just the normal price. Okay. Yeah, so let's move on. So yeah, this na the second one be this for that pink one, abi na blue, abi na yellow. Na the second one be this. So that is for that. So I got this yellow one. I think my son not get anything like too much yellow for his wardrobe, so I decided to take this yellow short. If you no fit wear am for this winter, for this September, I go too much, you go wear am next year. So the price before na €19 95 but they do 75% discount. I come pay €95 98 for this yellow short. I love it, it's beautiful. Na me choose that one. If you no like am, wear am. Hey God o. So this tight na also for my daughter. Na two in one. E come two in one, and the price is €9 95. So €9 95 for two like this. Yeah, so that is for cloth from obvious, for kiabi to obvious, because they are close to each other there, so you can just enter and come out and enter. So that is for the clothing. So let's move to the shoe side. Okay, I got this shoe from Bata. There is one shop in Italy called Bata. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So this shoe is, they are doing discount also. We dey for discounto period. So this shoes of normal price not too dey expensive like that sha. Na €19 90. So they come do 30% conto. So you do the mathematics and tell me how much I pay for that shoe, and it's so beautiful. I love it. Can even wear it to church. So beautiful. You can also wear it to school if you want to. So the second one is sandals. So I see the sandals and I just fall in love with these sandals, and it's so beautiful. It's made in Italy. Easy work, made in Italy. So it's so beautiful, guys. This one is €24 90, but they do 50% control. So you do the mathematics and tell me how much I pay. And the shoe is so solid and it's so beautiful. So you should not fit wear. And I take size 28. She dey wear 27 28. Even this one I take size, the shoe I take size 29, because I no see size 28 and I like the shoe, so I decide to take size 29. E go enter her leg, e go enter her leg all the same. So this one is for my son, nene. So I buy this one for my son. This one is, the price is €24 90. They do 30% conto, 30% discount. So you tell me how much I pay for this beautiful shoe. I love the shoe. It's so lightweight. If you wear this kind of shoe, breeze will dey carry you. Na shoe to even run. This shoe na shoe to run. As in, if you wear na breeze, you no even need strength to take waka. You go dey carry your leg dey waka by itself. So I pay all the shopping here, guys. So this is all I got for my children for back to school for now. For now, this is all I bought, and it's so beautiful. I love every single thing I can buy. So nice, and it's so affordable, and the quality also is good. And for me, I did not even get one single thing, not even lipstick for myself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.